Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's me here, Mumbara14, and today video is gonna be interesting. Well, I'm not gonna be doing a new Roblox video because the update, but they did add one update, which is the friends update and nothing else. They didn't fix my avatar as I wanted to, but today's title of video of the description is learning Android Day 1. So
practicing your lines.
alright, I I am not smart at school because not that very smart. So I never studied in my life since like fourth grade. So that's just day one of study. I've never studied in my life, but I did. I actually do study, but I actually don't take out my books and I don't point my hand, and I only read like a those books when you go to the libraries. I only read those. I actually don't use real books like maths, geography, natural science, or even life skills. So I actually want to learn. So let's search up Android. So let's just search it up. And so as you can see, Android 1.1 now released. I will just do Android 1.0 to 2.2 Android Eclair. So released on September 23rd, 2008. Because I already know, before I actually knew I was gonna post the Android in it. So I know like the history, but I'm still studying. But I actually don't understand the whole history of it. So and and Andrew Honeycomb had a birthday, so so it's only 15. So Google, if you're watching this right now, I would actually love it if you revived Andrew Honeycomb like Andrew JP. So the first commercial version of Google's operating system debuting on the T Mobile G1 HTC Dream on October 22nd, 2008. It introduced found additional features like the Android Market, customizable home screen, widgets, pull down notifications, and that time, bro, I wasn't even born. I was born 2015. Because I sound like 11-year-old, but I'm not even 11 yet. I'm still 10. I'm not turning 11. But I changed my desktop. I am literally running Android 12. Since people are upgrading to Windows 11, I am not downgrading to Android 11. I'm only that's my. It's Material U. Pull down. That time we didn't. Okay. This video. Oh hell no, we are not. No code name, unlike other versions like these Z code names. This was the first. And also, if you search up Android 1.1, watch this video right here, I suggest. Okay. Okay, so 1.1. No, I don't. Oh my gosh, I do not want the images. I do not. Okay, but I am gonna do a freaking Android edit. You know why I don't put any Android 1 or to Android to 6 to 1 to 16? Because you see, in 2019 September 3rd, before Android 10 Q Quiescent actually released, yeah, goodbye to all these code names Google released. Rest in peace. Yeah, y'all Android version was the goat, the actual real goats. Even for Nougat, the real goat. Okay, anyways, as we go, Android 1.1 peptide. I don't know how to pronounce this, so yeah. 4 was released on February. It was February. It's 9 for the HTC Dream T-Mobile G1. This is Samsung's hugest first product ever in 2008 and 2009, but yeah. As the second public version of Android, it provided crucial updates over Android 1.0, including better Google Maps integration, business voice search, saved messages, attachments, and default 15-minute email check. Key features and details for Android 1.1. Internally referred. Okay, I don't know how I. To as Peptide 4 was the second. The second, though often forgotten step in the Android dessert name converting Android to 1.5 Cupcake. Okay, alright, we didn't even go to Android 1.5. So, yeah. But if you wanna pause the video, you can just pause it. Yep. If you want to. I actually have no problem with that. So, yeah. 1.5. Android 1.5, codenamed Cupcake, released on oh my gosh. I thought it was Android Cupcake's birthday. Oh my gosh. It wasn't. Okay, I am so dumb.
Pictures of the ground.
Okay.
Pictures of the ground.
Cupcake and released on April 27, 2009 was a major update that introduced external features like the original on-screen keyboard, widget support, and video recording, as well as the Android version that used the named. It also added Bluetooth, A2DP/AVRCP support, YouTube, Pixara. I don't care I don't care actually. I don't care how I pronounce it. I don't care if people laugh, and I don't care if people hated me before. And my friends just say, I'm beautiful and just delete the haters from my channel. In integration, edible touchscreen, typing with nah, but Android 1.5 is the goat, man. Like typing with predictive texting supporting devices without physical keyboards, widgets, or loud. Nah, but low-key though, my first day of school, but actually maybe tomorrow might if my teacher is watching this right now, can you please do this, put this work on the board for us? Cause I would love that. I would love that. Allowed users to place in the active apps like clocks, calendar, music player on the home screen, added video recording, MP4 and 3GP formats and playback capabilities. Yeah, I think that this is why Google created Google Classroom. Yeah, I think I should go. Okay, maybe when I'm a big YouTuber, I'll name my own school Google School. Google for Education. Bluetooth included stereo, Bluetooth support A2DP, and automatic pen for headsets. Hey, I actually don't use I'm not those guys like those people who listen to music while they play games on their phones. But hey, sometimes I actually do when something like the privacy display introduce basic animations during screen traditions, edible copying and paste functioning in the web browser, built-in ability to upload videos to YouTube and photos to Pixar directly from the device. Oh yeah, and also Android 1.5 Cupcake was crucial for edible. The shift from the physical okay, I just skipped it. Keyboards as seen on the HTC Dream G1 to full touchscreen device like the HTC Magic. It was based on the Linux kernel 2.6.7 I mean. Okay. Okay. Okay, Android 1.6 codenamed Donut was released in the September 2009 as a major update to the Android platform, introducing CDMA network support, the revamped Android market and visual search. Key features included in HD. Wait, what? Mommy, what does this word say here? Enhanced search capabilities, a battery usage in indicators, and a faster camera interdiction. It laid foundation for modern smartphone interfaces, API level 4, and supported voracious screen size. Android market update. I think these key features of Google are actually kind of cool. I actually. My teacher's gonna have to add this here. A new user interface allows for viewing application screenshots, categories, and top paid free apps. A read signed search experience, allowing users to search local content, context, apps history, and the web from a single interface. Camera gallery and integration. Faster camera access with ability for users to select and delete multiple photos at once. Damn, I guess they use Android donut users are still old, boy. New hardware support. Support for CDMI network technology, enabling Android phones to work on carriers like Verizon. Battery usage indicators, a new tool to track which applications were consuming the most battery. Voice search. Introduction of a quick dialer and voice search capabilities. Support for new screen solutions. Added the WVGA screen resolution for support for high definition display. Okay. Ooh, this is long, bro.
Oh, sounds nice.
What's happening?
No, that's like that.
What's up? Oh, released in October 2009, Android 2.1 Eclair was a major update for the Motorola Droid. Significant UI changes done by turn Google Maps live wallpapers and improved Bluetooth support. It introduced multiple accounts. Okay, let's skip the part. A refined web browser and a quick contact feature sold in fine Android and YouTube. This video shows the evolution of
Tyler, stop now then tomorrow. Okay. What?
Okay, you can watch this video right here, bro. Okay. User experience AI. Revamped UI with a new browser, improved virtual keyboard, and a redesigned camera app with scene modes, white balance, and digital zoom. Introduced natively Google Maps with Honeycomb and Gingerbread. Shut up! Irritating little ass. Okay, so we are here in the lounge because my brother's a pain in the butt. Of course, I do swear at him because he's annoying as hell. Sorry if I say that, but I know usually on my videos I don't swear, but only in the videos when I crash out. Added support for multiple Google and Exchanges accounts for combined inbox capability. Introduces the quick contact bar for calling, texting, or emailing, and the ability to search or store SMS/MMS, which are messaging, live wallpapers, editable animated background images on the home screen. Browser added HTML5 support, bookmark thumbnails, and double tap zooming. Hey, it's time to end new post. New term, new post. Optimized faster hardware with support for more screen sizes and AP level Android. Oh my gosh, this is so. Okay, sorry about that. This is fine. Okay, wait. Can respond to the API level 5. Yeah, it is true. It does have a level APIs level 5 of course. And then like Android 17 is gonna have like its API level is 37. So yeah. When the Android 18 come out, I think it's gonna be yeah. And solutions. I mean platform based on the Linux kernel 2.6.29. Camera API expanded camera functionality to include flash support, focus mode, and color fix. Bluetooth enhanced Bluetooth support 2.1. Yeah, so during the Android 2.0, which is the Android 2.0 Eclair, which is the code name of the version, actually it actually has it contains wallpapers and a no it has lock screens. You can put a pin on there and also some live wallpapers and 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 email accounts and transfer anything to Android Cloud, yeah, and all that stuff, bro. Messaging or texting or even calling or even voicemails. Designed for virtual keys, home menu, back search. Yeah, that time there was no Google Play. Yeah, then there was no Google Play or no Play Store. Yeah, and there was no Apple Store. Only until changing key events to no on key up to prevent accidentally presses not Android 2.02. Let me search it up. Okay, search it up. Yeah, so let me just tell you something before I explain Android 2.3 2. Oh my gosh, I'm so. Why was gonna say 2 3 minutes when they. Oh yeah, we are here. We are finally here. So yeah, and tomorrow I'll be explaining it. Yeah, just tomorrow. And I'll kind of have a lot of playlists. Yeah, that you'll even miss my old Roblox videos in December. Well, it introduces some new features to Android 2.2, which is the bugs and the glitches, and also added Android Cloud new features. I don't know what else there is that brings Android 2.1. So yeah, I really don't know. Released in January 2010, alongside the Nexus One. Wait, I wonder how. Okay, was a major milestone that introduces live wallpapers. Yeah, but didn't Android 2.0 actually added wallpapers, live wallpapers? A revamped UI with 5 home screen. Brother, back in my day, we had Nova Launcher, and and bro, when we were 7, we had a Nexus 2 phone. We only had, we only used Nova Launcher in that time. Mm-hmm. we did only use mm, mm, and then we you and then our mobile cell phones run Android Jelly Bean. Yeah, no joke. And yeah, they used the bubble one. Yeah, the bubble one. Yeah, the bubble one. 5 skins and improved camera features like digital zoom. Oh my gosh, my phone's actually going so low. I have to charge it. So yeah, when I go to bed, and flash support. It featured API levels. Bro, how do I even know the API levels? Because sometimes when I just watch YouTube, when I post something, you guys never comment on it. My friends my friends just see my post and then they just like and then they are like, okay, nice, okay, good. Then I go back to doom scrolling all day. Yeah, and plus I can't even remember what I was gonna post. And then yeah, I don't know. And was the first to widely support HTML5, Google Maps, navigation, and Bluetooth 2.1. Wait, was there even music that time? Oh yeah, in 2009, yeah. Revamped UI, including a 3D applications, drawer, and updated contact cards, live wallpapers, animated backgrounds, reacted to touch, included scene modes, white balance, flash support, and macro focus. Added support for HTML5, bookmark, thumbnails, and double tap zoom. Added voice to text functionally Google Maps 3.1.2 with navigation and better account Zion 3. Okay, so this is it, I guess. But if y'all enjoyed that video, give this video a thumbs up and comment down you wanna see part 2. Yeah, hopefully we'll get to day 17 and 2. Yeah, we will eventually get to 16 parts and maybe August we can. Yeah, it's gonna take a while for Android 17 support come out, but hey, I'm wishing y'all all good luck there and also achieve your dreams to be safe out there and hope you have a great day and hope you have a good sleep tonight and yeah, I just hope you're ready for the next battle for school. Yeah, bye.